The southernmost regions of our planet are home to some of the most extraordinary and resilient creatures. Among them, the skua birds stand out as true masters of survival. This documentary takes you on an immersive journey into the fascinating world of skuas, showcasing their unique characteristics, remarkable behaviors, and the vital role they play in the delicate Antarctic ecosystem. Episode 1: Born in the Wild. Introduction to skuas, physical characteristics, species diversity, and habitat range. Breeding season, the struggle for survival and the art of nest building. Skua family dynamics, mating rituals, egg laying, and parental care. Chick rearing, the challenges of raising offspring in harsh environments. Episode 2: Hunters of the Antarctic. Skuas as predators, adaptations for hunting and scavenging. Skua diet, the diverse menu and strategies for acquiring food. Interactions with other seabirds, stealing, piracy, and kleptoparasitism. Skuas and penguins, the complex relationship between predator and prey. Episode 3: Winged Wanderers. Skuas as long-distance migrants, amazing journeys across vast distances. Navigation and orientation, how skuas find their way during migration. Life on the high seas, challenges and adaptations for survival at sea. Global conservation efforts, protecting skua populations and their habitats.